Hello, my dear professors and my fellow friends. I am Doruk Karaman, a sophomore student at Bilkent University at the Electrical and Electronics Engineering Department. And today I will be presenting my EE102 Introduction to Digital Circuit Design final project. The project's name is Whack-A-Led and it is heavily inspired by the classic arcade game Whack-A-Mole. In that game, moles pop up from the holes they are placed, and the player needs to hit them with a hammer in a certain period of time to earn a point. So, in this game, also, the player needs to do a certain thing in a certain amount of time to get a point. And instead of moles, I used LEDs in my basis tree board. So the game plays like the LEDs will randomly light up and the player needs to switch on and switch off the switch below the LED to get a point. Um, in my project, I utilized my basis tree board and a monitor, and I used the VGA connector to connect both. So, in the screen, the user interface appears with a start screen and after that the game screen. And in the basis tree boards, the game is played. This is the start screen of the game. As you can see, here's the name of my game and here's my name. And this screen disappears when the player selects a mod, which are easy mode, medium mode and hard mode. And the game plays differently with the modes the player selects. So this screen will disappear when I select a mod, and this is the easy mode. You can see it from the boxes that indicate the switches are green. And also for the colorblind, I used the Roman numerical numbers to indicate the mode in the top left corner as well. And these boxes are indicating the LEDs, and they will light up when I start the game and when the LEDs in my basis tree board will also light up. And this is the medium mode. You can see it from these blue switches and also the 2 numerical number. And this is the hard mode. You can see it from the red switches or the numerical number 3. So when I start the game, it will appear in the screen like this. As you can see, the LEDs will light up, and like this is the LED 0, 1, 2, 3 till the 15. So these are the exact LEDs that will light up on my basis tree board as well. So now I will show the game playing on the basis tree board. This is how the game plays in the basis tree board, but I will switch the mode to the medium because I can't show the basis tree board efficiently in the hard mode since it's too fast for me. So I'm switching it to the medium mode, and as you can see, with each correct LED switch on and off, I will get a point. Sometimes I get a bit too slow while recording. I'm sorry for that. I'm pretty sure you can play it better than me though. So if the playing of the game is clear, I will indicate which parts I used in the board. So the buttons are for the top button is for the start button, and the bottom button is for the reset button. As you can see, when I reset the game, my score will also go to 0, 0. And these 3 buttons are for the mode buttons. So this is the easy mode, this is the medium mode, and this is the hard mode. The LEDs are for the moles, and switches are for the hammers. So when a LED lights up, switch on and switch off the switch and you will get a point. I wanted to explain a bit of my code as well. So I've used a lot of modules, and I will show the schematic, but the schematic and the screen is pretty complicated due to the VGA. So this is the simplified version of my drawing. So the paper is the top module and the clock is the main component of the circuit. I have 3 modules for each mode and a mode selector. Besides that, I have a speed selector and a random number generator. And next to that, I will have the game logic, which lights up the LEDs and gives me the score. And besides all of the modules, I also have a text module for the start screen of the game.